Hey devs out there, welcome to Solve It Out. Today we are going to solve the two-sum problems in JavaScript. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe Solve It Out. The two-sum problem is a given array where you have a target and you need to return the indexes. So first we'll go with the brute force approach algorithm. Here we are going to take up two loops. That is, first starting with I from the 0th position, which will be less than the length of the nums array, and then we'll go with the j with the I+1 position, which will also be less than the nums array length. Now we'll check that if the nums I and nums j, that is taking the first loop, nums on the 0th position and on the first position, is equal to target or not, the first two. If it is equal to the target, then we'll return its indexes. If not, we can return the -1. Here, we are taking two loops. That means our space complexity will be equal to O1, but our time complexity will become On square as we are using the two loops. And we'll try to see how can we run this brute force approach. Here we start writing with the I loop at first and then the j one. After we'll compare about the nums I plus j. If it is equal to the target, then we'll return the indexes, else we can return the -1 for both the indexes. We test the result and it accepted all the test cases and we submit it. The submission is also accepted.
Mock Experts. It's an personal interview preparation companion which will help you to practice real interview scenarios through MCQ interviews, guided by AI-powered analysis. After each session, you will receive a detailed performance report, improvement suggestions, and a verified certificate with a QR code that you can share with recruiters. Sign up using your email or Google account, select your role, front-end, back-end, full-stack, DevOps, SDE, take the interview within the given time limit, receive instant AI feedback and a performance report, download or share your verified certificate with your recruiters. Join Mock Experts now.
So next we are going to move on to an optimized approach. We are going to initialize a hash map and then we are going to take up a loop where the loop will run from the 0th position to less than nums.length position with a I++ increment. First, we are going to take a complement, that is, from the target number, we are going to subtract our current index value. Once it is done, we are going to search in the map that whether that complement value is present on the map. If it is present, then we are going to get that complement value index and the current index and we are going to return it. Else, we are going to set the current index with the value inside the map. So what it will happen, whenever we are going to search the complement, once we get a complement, we can find out the other value and we can return the index of the current and the previous value.
So the time complexity here will be On and the space complexity will also be the On because we are using hash map and thus there is increase in space and time complexity reduces to On for single loop. We'll first initialize the hash map and then we'll run the loop starting from 0th position. We'll take up the complement and take the target minus the index value. If the map has the complement value, then we'll take the complement index and return the current index, else set up the current index with the value. Finally, we are going to return the -1. On the test result, we can see the test case is passed out, and on submit, you can see that it has received the top one, like runtime is 1 millisecond, and it's 87.79% faster.